If you want to create professional looking videos in just a minute without editing skills and for free, stick around because in today's video I will show you how to generate amazing content using InVideo AI right from your phone. First, we need to download the app. Head over to the Google Play Store if you are using Android or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. Search for InVideo AI, not just InVideo, make sure to type AI as well. Tap install and give it a few seconds. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You will be asked to sign in. Tap continue with Google and choose your Google account. Next, select how you heard about InVideo AI and answer the question, what best describes your reason for using InVideo AI? Then choose your year of birth to continue. Now the real magic begins. On the home screen, you will see a box that says, tell us what you want to create. This is where you enter your video idea or prompt. Copy your video script and paste it here. Then click the blue arrow button to begin. Now choose your target audience, content pacing and the platforms where you plan to upload your video. Tap the continue button. InVideo AI reads your script, selects the right footage, adds background music, text, transitions, everything within the seconds. And the best part, you can customize every single part. Once your video is ready, preview it, and if you want to make changes, just tap on any part you would like to edit. You can choose from different AI voice styles, adjust the background music, add subtitles, or fine-tune the pacing. You can also edit your script and remove any unnecessary parts. Under the settings, you can adjust the video volume, select the resolution up to 1080 pixel and set your download preferences. When you are done, click the download button and your video will start downloading immediately. Now let's quickly explore some amazing features InVideo AI offers for free. You can create stunning faceless short videos, explainer videos, animated videos and new style videos. You can generate videos directly from your scripts, which is a game changer. Create educational videos or turn your blogs into videos instantly. Make professional ads, short films and documentary style content using just your script. Now tap the discover option. Here you will find top prompts for every category, including entertainment, food, travel and many more. And yes, many of these features are 100% free to use. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have gone from installing the app to creating a fully edited video with voiceover, music, transitions and more, all with the power of AI. So whether you are making videos for YouTube, Instagram, your business or just for fun, InVideo AI is a total game changer. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more free tools and tutorials and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.